What's up, YouTube? And I'm back with another video. I helped put the Christmas gifts under the tree before Christmas. I know I stuttered. I helped put the Christmas gifts under the tree before Christmas. And then I didn't have no help. I just made sure everything got put under the tree the way it was supposed to because I was asked to. I guess I was supposed to clean up and everything else while everybody else sit on the phones and on the floors and stuff. This girl did not. I'm posting this too. But yeah. So hold on, because your girl got her little week feet set. That was just embarrassing. Hold on. Yes. Your girl got her mink. What? Well, YouTube, your girl got her car back. Y'all finna see me riding. I know, I'm looking a mess right now. Your girl hair ain't did or nothing. Hold up first. But yes, my hair is not did or nothing right now. But yes, you guys, I got my car. Well, it's not the same car, but it's a new one. It's a new one. Yes, clock it. Did I turn all the lights on or just... I'm not sure. But yes, y'all. Well, you guys, my lights. Check out my lights. Yes, you guys. I'm so happy. Hello. Me. Yes. Your girl got her car. Check out my lights on my car. It's so pretty. For little old me. What's up, YouTube? And today is Christmas. I'm not sure. I think I want to do my makeup. I got my Christmas pajamas on. My braids look old, still crunchy, and just sad. I'm thinking about just paying to get my hair done again. I'm finna just pay to get it done again. I'm finna see if I can get this hair done now. I'm not sure. But yeah, y'all. I don't know. So yes, guys, for those of you that know, it was Christmas Eve when I had ended up having to wrap some or put the gifts up under the tree. Not only did I have to put the gifts under the tree. So once I ended up putting the gifts under the tree, I ended up getting my car. I was very grateful, very happy for it. And then, yeah, I'm sorry. I'm talking about the reason why I put the stuff under the tree. I should have just told y'all then. So what I was doing now, I just slicked my edges any kind of way. Then I put my hair in a bun. I didn't know if I wanted to do a ponytail or bun, but I'm tired of that ponytail, so I just did a bun. Then I started putting my earrings in, and I was thinking about my high cortisol levels. I think that's what it's called. But when it's like you chunky all under your face and everything. So yeah. Once I got done with that stuff, I did my eyelashes. And then, I don't know, I don't have a fan. That's why I blow like that with my lips. Then, I had did my eyebrows. I had to get my eyebrow brush, my eyebrow pencil, and my concealer for everything. To shape them, to scrape them, and to darken them. But most importantly, to slay them. So yeah. And once I got done with that, I was feeling myself, and then I'm like, dang, okay, maybe I shouldn't just do the brows and the lashes. Maybe I should do a full little face beat, but not a full, but like a little natural beat, you know. It looked it good before. I should just did the brows, the eyelashes, and the lip gloss and stuff. But y'all know I had to be extra, so I was being extra. But yes, you guys, all of that just to go downstairs and to see that I had a gift under the tree. I was very happy. I'm like, dang. I mean, I wasn't supposed to get a gift. All I wanted was a few dollars. Even though, is that still a gift? It probably, technically it is still a gift. So I didn't get a few dollars, but I had a few gifts under the tree. And my mom helped me pay off my car, you know. So, I mean, it was a blessing. I'm grateful because at the end of the day, I'm finna be 20, you guys. I literally cried afterwards. It's like, dang, I'm about to be 20 years old. My golden birthday is 2026. It's crazy, right? Very crazy.
Oh, this for mine.
Late, you know, you be ready for the
Here's Zicky Man.
Yeah, they was just
Here's
so
Zicky
excited
Man.
they done overslept. And they was really waiting for Zicky Man to give, turn around.
Mar, get Zeke right here.
You want me to come this way? Open it this side. Open up your present.
Rip it, Boo. Rip it. Rip it, Zeke. Rip it. Here. Here, Zeke. Rip this one. Rip this one. That's some clothes. He don't want to rip that open. Rip that up. Rip it open, Boo. Rip it.
Tiana? Oh, fella.
What is that? What is that, Zeke?
It's Tiana, right?
What is that? Wow! Yay! What you get, Zicky Man?
And I got it like a tree necklace. What is that? Cause I got it on there.
Yeah.
They talking about, hey,
So you can draw and stuff on the
this you,
tub.
right? It's TRIANNA.
Right here.
Yeah.
I can still open it. This is
I gotta see. Hold on.
Myra, move your stuff.
Here, Myra. Oh, go show my dad your new car, Mari. Go show him.
You just told me to record.
Here, go show him. Here, Fatty. Here, Ezekiel. Here. Here, Boo.
Myra, scoot over. Scoot over some. What's this? I mean, scoot over. You gonna have to move. Here, open it.
You running from your gifts.
Look in front of you, Zeke. Look. Rip that open.
You got everybody.
Open it, Boo.
Yes.
Open it. Look.
You, May,
What is that?
Karen,
What's
Eli,
this?
Ezekiel.
What's this?
Oh, rip that. Rip it, look. Rip it.
What? What?
What?
Big guy. Big guy. Big guy. What is that? Big guy.
Yeah. SpongeBob, big up. It's okay.
She said, oh,
Yeah.
You heard me, Ma? He said, oh, yeah.
She said it.
Oh.
Dinosaur.
He said, oh,
Sing. Look, Ricky. Look at that.
Zicky Man, look at TT got you.
Look.
Zeke.
You were my
Zeke.
Look, Zeke, look at this.
I'm going to go over there with your presents. Look out.
He said, huh?
Yeah.
Who is that, Zicky Man? Dinosaur.
Okay. I love you, Dad.
Did you say thank you? Say thank you. Look at TT. Say thank you.
Look at that. You like that, Zeke?
He just froze. Ezekiel, what you finna open next?
Oh my God. What are you trying to make me hand? What? That's nice. You got it.
He more so focused on that one, so y'all might as well just open it.
Boy.
This nice. Good nice. Oh, you gotta go to the car, Duke, real quick. Go to the car. And get out the back seat. Or baby, you wanna go get it? What's the name? One of my things.
What you getting? Look, you heard Myra. She said, oh, here's the opening.
Yeah. I like that color too.
Then you trim that. Mom, this say on there. So if you go, hey, hang on. Okay. Hey.
Oh, put it over there.
Hey. Where do my phone? You want me to open it? That's my phone.
Yeah, put it next to you.
What box? Who box is this?
Don't rip it up. How you gonna
Yeah, you did this on purpose. Did what? You can't tell me that's not nasty.
What?
You think Santa won't say nothing like that, so you
Oh,
you not you
be one of our elves next year? That's very disrespectful. You'll be kicked off the North Fork.
I need to brush my
this was
teeth,
your
bro.
gift. He showed me it over here. Rip this one.
Oh.
Huh? The keys upstairs is mine. Hold on, Mari. Hold on to some of them so I can see you open them. Hold on to some. Mari, start grabbing them boxes over there and handing them to them. Oh, no. Here, Mari.
Thanks, man.
Mari, this ain't hers.
I'm waiting.
Hold on, wait till I talk to them.
Mom, we're gonna have to wait till you find your keys.
They up on the couch. I just move right there by where Mari at.
Rip that. You were just all want to rip it, now you don't want to rip it. You sure that's it?
She said, "Mama, do not do that. Don't do that." That is cute.
Mari,
I got you that too.
I've been waiting for y'all. Shoot, talk about you not even recording people. I've been waiting for the longest.
No, can you please look about all that stuff right there?
Put this over there.
That is pretty, my way.
Elijah, can you give me those little gifts behind that thing? See my keys up there, please. Mara, see my keys up there.
Oh, you got a little.
Here you go.
Man.
Here, baby.
Oh, Stanley's is unity.
Here, Myra.
Myra, did the mom text if it was under you? No, for real, get up, because no, you didn't.
It smells so good.
I just picked it up.
It's the
Yeah. Look, what's that?
Elijah.
Here, Mari.
Thank you.
Yeah, these retarded.
Huh.
There it goes.
This is
Get back there and get me.
Now I just need me a screen protector.
Oh, look. Look.
That is beautiful, sister.
Wait a minute, I'm moving.
See?
Myra,
Keep
get
it all
up.
together, please.
Oh, and the matching body. This is swag. This is You like it? Yeah.
Oh, here, Charles.
Babe, we were not for my birthday.
Oh, you're not all the way up the wall. Girl, it's like toast.
This Myra.
Yeah.
Here is me. Go ahead. Bye.
Wanna go in?
Bye.
Hey,
Okay,
sis.
bye. Go.
Wanna go in?
Now, you see the,
What's on there with?
there's another gift back there.
Find out.
Yeah.
Did you say me to say Elijah?
Get out to Elijah. I didn't say
Oh my
that.
God. It was wrapped up in my
She is in love with that dang on thing. I knew she was feeling like
Open
that.
that, Elijah. Here, this is Myra's.
Whose is this?
Myra here. She told us to slow down.
Whose name that say?
Oh, that don't name.
So I can finish opening all of this.
This Sister D's. Put this back over there. That do got a name.
I can finish opening all of this.
Where my camera at? Where my phone go?
Morning with mom's phone.
Let me go close.
I got it. I'm
Give me your pants, Cynthia.
Come on.
Hey, you finna know all my clothes got your little nasty feet on them.
Yeah, okay.
What's this? What's this? Oh yeah. This
Mom,
is
you throw me
cute.
a gift?
This is cute.
Mom,
They never had too many teeth.
Mommy, you can throw me a gift?
And they look soft.
Huh?
That is pretty.
I look soft.
Oh, that feet look soft too.
Daddy.
I'm just cute.
to walk around with. That's the rap with boy. Shut up.
Mommy. Mommy, you can show me a present.
Cute outfit. I see Ariana ass back there snapping.
No, I'm trying to teach you.
Black.
The bushy my way.
This is eyelash. Like to clean your eyelashes out. These are glasses. Open this one.
Here, Mari.
Thank you.
Open it. Fatty.
Open it.
Amazing.
Okay.
Oh,
Little
this is
strawberry
strawberry
shortcake. Right. Put the Valentine coming.
You need help?
More, you gotta get mom gifts. We got mom gifts down here.
Hey, let me tell you something.
Here go one of your things, sister.
I learned this the hard one. Here go one of your things.
Well, thank you.
Y'all go to the car. And y'all gonna be upset about this one too. This one y'all kind of gonna be. You gonna kind of be upset about it. I'm gonna fix it, okay?
I'm gonna be upset.
Yes. Shut up.
You talk too much. If somebody got somebody that says that you don't speak, my nigga. See,
Okay, boy, Daddy trying to roll up every piece of thing like this off his box. Oh, you want oh my God.
If we got to do with a video,
No, we all got that.
this person.
Look, man.
Oh, wait. Wait, I want to show you my purse. Like I can't see you. This is a lot.
Myra.
Could you hand me that, Fatty?
Myra's and this is Myra's.
Thank you.
That's trying to say I stink or something.
Look, don't try to steal now.
I might. Well, YouTube, my makeup look like it's chapping. My face looking a little pale through the makeup. I feel like. Hold on. Okay, YouTube. I'm grateful for my gifts. As y'all can see, I love my gifts. I'm not using those brushes on nobody's face, but my own. Both packs. But y'all love my gifts. And that's going to give me more time to like practice and do my makeup and stuff. I love all my stuff, you guys. I'm really enjoying and really grateful for my things. And yes, y'all. So I was deciding, like I was thinking, maybe I should go outside and drive my car. Because I want to. Yeah. So that's all I might do today. So, alright, let me see how it goes. Did I fix it? Make it worse? Or should I just take it off? Let me see. I fixed it. That was quick. Well, you guys, these are my Christmas gifts. And I love them. And yes, y'all. Period. I'm getting irritated with this, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Most importantly, stay blessed, don't stress, and I'm pretty sure y'all get the rest. Peace.
I don't really like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business cut me out, you're choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it